Plane crash in Russia's Far East kills all 48 on board. A passenger plane operated by Angara Airlines crashed in Russia's far eastern Amur region on 24 July, killing all 48 people on board. The An-24 aircraft lost contact with air traffic control while making a second attempt to land in the town of Tynda amid poor weather conditions. Rescuers located the burning fuselage about 15 kilometers south of Tynda, in a remote forest area. Dense smoke and difficult terrain delayed access to the crash site. Russia's emergencies ministry confirmed the aircraft had dropped off radar shortly before impact. A Chinese national was among the victims, according to Xinhua news agency. Authorities have cited possible pilot error in low visibility as a potential cause. The plane was reportedly making a second approach when communication was lost.